Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at this generic tactical flashlight ring. So it's already cut open. So we have a washer here and an O-ring. So these are used to adjust the fit to various flashlights. And we have the ring itself. So it's pretty generic. There's no branding in sight. So you have the ring here, and you have a small ledge here for the thumb. And then you have this breakaway latch. It's a little bit strong, so I'm not sure it will save your finger. And then you have here the clip. So it's a very familiar design. Let's try it on. We'll put it on my SureFire G2 Nitrolon. So we're just supposed to put this over the body. And then put the cap back, and it's too tight. So it's really too tight. Okay, so I widened the hole a little bit with a flap sander, and I'll have to say the plastic is quite tough. So it's still a little bit tight, but the tail cap goes in partially. So I think we should be able to work it out. So let's try it again. So it's still tight, so I won't be able to turn it freely. So what I'll do is just to press it in until it catches the thread. And then just screw it all the way in. So here it is attached to the flashlight. So you have the clip here, and this allows you to attach it to any webbing. And this will be, the ring will be protruding, and you should be able to easily grab hold of it and pull out the flashlight. So there are basically two ways to hold this. So the first one is the Harris grip, which allows you to activate the flashlight using your thumb. And it also allows you to use this protrusion as an impact device. I suppose it's quite tough. And if you have an impact bezel, you can also use that. The other way of holding this is similar to the Rogers or SureFire technique. So we'll flip it, and then the button ends up near your knuckles, and then you can use this ledge here to push with your thumb to activate the flashlight. So the advantage of this grip is that you can do something else with your hands. So it's a little bit awkward, but at least you can do something. And then you can just switch grips by flipping. And that's it for my unboxing and overview of the generic tactical flashlight ring. It's usable, but I don't feel that it's as good as the original. And with the time spent modifying it just to fit, I think you'd be better off with the original. Thank you for watching.